Hatha yoga doesn't stop with the active observances. Okay. The goal of those active observances is, of course, to make your body strong, open, mobile, as well as to clear your inner pathways of energetic blockages, to purify your nadis, and to channelize that energy we harness and produce into those dormant centers, the nadis, both in the body and the brain. And this energetic buffer transmute into two important subtle components: Spanda, the vibration, and the nada, the sound. And then these two subtle components shall only emerge when we're able to slow down the autonomic functions, slow down the body itself, meaning do nothing, hold the body still, as well as alerting our sense of internal hearing by listening into silence. And I use this all the time, and this has led me to countless samadhis.